Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Coinx and I'm happy to have you guys back here. Today's video will be an update on a previous video I did on removing unwanted noises from your recordings. Guys, Waves did it again. I came across this amazing and mind-blowing plugin by Waves that will automatically remove any room noise, unwanted noise from fan, noise from the environment and all that from your recording. Guys, I'm not really gonna say much about this plugin. This plugin speaks for itself. I will just A/B so that you guys will listen and see the magic in this amazing plugin by Waves. So let me quickly demonstrate an already recorded vocal. And guys, this recording was done when it was raining, like a heavy rain. I intentionally open up the doors so that the mic will capture the rain sound, the room noise, and every noise existing in this studio. So this is without the plugin. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you pay very close attention, you can hear the rain noise, the room noise, the echo in the room, and all that. So let's engage this mind-blowing plugin. Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm actually using my backup PC for this, that's why, so bear with me. But what I'm gonna do right now is, while this is on, I'm gonna consolidate it, then I will play the consolidated version. I will engage every plugin. Alright guys, now we have it. Let's deactivate this. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Guys, it speaks for itself. I literally did nothing. All I did was just to increase this knob right here. And if you hover your mouse over it, it will tell you what that knob does. It says turn right to reduce ambience. As you can see, this takes care of ambience noise and any other background noise. And over here is where it displays your original audio and the noise. As you can see, it says white line represents the input signal. Reduction shows underneath in pink. So the next thing we have here is reset to neutral network. I think this is more like reset to default button. And over here, you will see they have 3 different modes. Let me just put it that way. In my own opinion, this broad 2, the middle one here, works perfectly well. It's just like a transparent reduction or suppression of the background noise and ambience, which is very okay. So guys, experiment with it and see the one that works best for you. And feel free to copy the settings I have already and you can start from there. Alright guys, if you enjoy this, leave a like please, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell because that helps the algorithm. So, see you guys in the next one. Stay safe. Bye-bye.